The best snow shovels of 2024. These trusty accessories help clear you a path to enjoy a snow day. Not grumble about an icy pileup. Don't be that cranky neighbor who grumbles at the thought of bringing out their snow shovel. Freshly fallen snow is a beautiful sight, and your snow days should be enjoyed. And a fresh snow shovel is an equally beautiful sight. One that will allow you to get outside and enjoy the wintry landscape, or kick back inside by the fire. Your choice, knowing you've gotten the job done right. While most of us don't look forward to clearing out freshly fallen snow, the right shovel can make snow shoveling much easier. So you can get back to the winter activities you enjoy. Here, we've collected the best tools for shoveling snow, with arms that are long enough to prevent hunching, ergonomic designs to reduce back strain, and durable materials that can cut through any snowbank. An electric shovel can speed up the job, or you can just work with well-designed manual shovels. Either way, we've researched some of the best snow shovels currently on the market, so now you won't dread those impending winter storms. Number 1. Snow Joe Shovolution Strain Reducing Snow Shovel. Best overall. Not all shovels are made the same, as expected. Most budget ones are usually made with lower quality materials, and use cost-cutting solutions for construction, depending upon the frequency of use. These less expensive shovels will probably not last as long as a pricier model. However, if you live in an area that only sees occasional snow, a budget snow shovel might just be good enough for you. We found a highly rated cheap shovel with a new take on shovel design, offering a second lower handle, and short arm to act as a fulcrum, and offset the energy required to throw the snow off the shovel blade. If stored properly and not used on the heaviest of icy snow, the Snow Joe shovel may work for you quite well. Number 2. The Snowplow, the original snow pusher. Best snow pusher. This snow plow shovel is available in multiple sizes, and is constructed with polyethylene, which makes it safe for use on decks, pavers, and roofs. When you flip this shovel over, a cutting angle can be used to chip away at stubborn ice. It's like having your own acoustic option to plow snow. This commercial-grade 36 inches snowplow snow pusher is ready to tackle anything old man winter dishes out. It's perfect for cleaning off decks, steps, sidewalks, patios and driveways. Its ultra-rugged, non-abrasive, wood-safe blade is made of revolutionary UHMW polyethylene, providing exceptional durability and impact resistance. Use it to push, scrape and even chop. This hard-working shovel is lightweight, with AD-style control grip, reinforced fiberglass 49 inches, handle and easy bolt-together assembly. It comes with a wall hanger clip. Number 3. Greenworks 12-inch 40 volts cordless snow shovel. Best electric. The Greenworks electric shovel is a great solution when you need to get rid of snow fast, but don't have a lot of space to store your snow equipment. Our pick for best cordless, this rechargeable electric snow shovel works best to clear lighter snow up to 6 inches in height. Again, ensure the battery is stored somewhere at room temperature for best performance. Customers like the power and performance of the snow blower. They mention that it is very powerful and saves time and effort. They also appreciate the versatility and power of the product, saying it works well for fresh and light snow. However, some complain about the weight. Number 4. Bird Rock Home 34 inches folding emergency snow shovel for car. Best for cars. Ready for winter. Winter preparation is very important when it comes to traveling during the snowy months. A reliable and lightweight snow shovel is a must whether you're driving to work, snow camping, or snowmobiling in the backcountry. Easily folds up for compact storage in your car, truck, SUV, or snowmobile. From umbrellas to bandages, it's funny how you forget the thing you need in an emergency. Free your car from its snowy shackles while on the road with this compact shovel, which collapses to fit in your car. It's even a great option when the snow melts, and your nephews beg you to bury them in the sand. It might be too small for your driveway, but it is just the right size to escape from the parking space you got trapped in. Number 5. Earthwise 40-volt cordless electric snow shovel. Best battery operated. Don't be tethered to a cord when the snow falls with this battery-operated snow shovel. The cordless snow shovel demolishes through snow 300 pounds of snow per minute. Its 16-inch clearing width gets through more snow with each pass. And it has a quiet brushless motor for earth-friendly power. The ergonomic handle, 6-inch rear wheels, and dual-blade auger of our pick for best splurge. Mean more time spent cozied on the couch and less struggle when clearing the driveway. To assemble the Earthwise electric snow thrower, simply follow the manual and connect the parts by hand. Special tools are not needed to complete assembly. The convenient safety switch and retention hook are also included. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon and comment below.